Negotiations between Elaine Thompson Herah and Coach Osborne hit a snag when Thompson Herah's husband sent what Osborne described as a garbage contract. Despite a seemingly agreeable meeting where Thompson Herah appeared to accept the 15% compensation, confusion arose later. Her husband, Daron Herah, insisted on a specific figure, citing potential contract breaches with Puma. Osborne, frustrated, emphasized the need for a fair percentage without delving into the details of Thompson Herah's contract. After Russell, Thompson Herah's manager, sent a negotiated figure, Daron reacted strongly, accusing them of extortion. Osborne, taken aback, decided to temporarily withdraw her services until the payment issue was resolved. Ultimately, the professional relationship ended, with Thompson Herah and her management opting to part ways with Coach Osborne. According to reliable sources, Thompson Herah's team is offering Coach Osborne $40,000 US for the year, which amounts to less than 50% of what Osborne had requested.